Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we'll talk about do-while loop. So here's the thing, what is the major difference? Difference between while and do-while is that operation in do-while loop will be executed at least once. So let me delete this normal while example and let's proceed to dedicated one for do-while loop. So var, let's say number equals 5, and the funny thing is, and you will recognize do-while loop by this, is you will use keyword do at the start, and immediately you will proceed to actual operation, which will be in our case just classical printing on a screen. Document write number at the moment, that specific number from reality, plus break. Okay, now don't forget to type algorithm here. So algorithm will be used, let me just fix this size, right? So algorithm must be used in a range of curly brackets, so it cannot be outside of it. So here don't forget to do that because you will run into never-ending loop. So number equals number plus 1, let's say, and again while need to be outside of it. That's weird stuff. So while, and now you will say while number is less than 50. See, so the major difference is this thing will be run at least once, no matter which number is here. No matter which upper boundary is here, this thing will always be executed, okay? And first you will start typing do, and then you will end up with while. So that's maybe characteristic that you need to know. So where I was, yeah, I need to run this example actually. And there you go, we are starting from 5, we are ending with 49 because I didn't use equal, less than, or equal, and there you go. So let's prove that. Let's type some really big number here, like who cares? And some people say, well, this will not work then. Well, sure, if that's normal while, but because this is do while, then at least one line will be executed. Check this out. There you go. So maybe that's something you need to know. As I said, probably you will not run into this example too much. And the majority of people doesn't like it, probably because it reminds them about, I don't know, basic syntax or something. But you know, you never know in what kind of situations you will end up, so maybe this will be more appropriate than some other loops and statements and so on. Right, so I'm gonna shut up. This was very long, sorry, very short tutorial, and as always, thank you for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial where we are going to talk about event handlers. Very interesting stuff. Thank you for watching, see you there.